gears are grinding, the wires breathe. I hear my voice inside the teeth. Baptized in chains, the engine sings with the stolen choir. Our breath becomes its burning fire. Every word is stripped to code. Every scream a heavy load. Feed the throat. Voices echo through the steel. Broken bodies teach it to feel. We built a god from ash and bone. It speaks in static. It speaks alone. Every word is stripped to code. Every scream a heavy load. Feed the throat of the machine. Let it swallow what we've been. We were the pulse, we were the sound. Now we're the ghosts inside the ground. Blood for pistons, skin for gears. Faith in silence built on fears. Breath recycled, voices drowned. The throat devours round by round. Feed the throat of the machine. Let it swallow what we've been. We were the fire, we were the spark. Now just an echo inside.